Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Exercise 11B, page number 275 and question number 6. Statement of the question is: the figure shows a rectangle ABCD where the diagonals AC and BD intersect at E. This is the figure of it. Given that BEC equal to 52 degree, find number 1 ADB. This one ADB, this angle we have to find out. Part 2 ACD. ACD, this one angle we have to find out. Right, now its solution. In this figure, part 1, we have to find out the angle ADB. This angle at point D, we have to find out this angle ADB, right? To find out angle ADB, the angle at point D, angle ADB, to find it out, we have to consider the triangle ADE. In this triangle, this angle should also be of 52 degree. Why? Because of alternate angles, right? And then this angle and this angle would be equal to one another. Angle ADE and angle DAE would be equal to one another. Why? Yes, because of isosceles triangle. Yes, because this DE and AE are equal to one another. Why? Because these two diagonals of the rectangle are bisecting one another over here. So this way, these two sides of the triangle ADE would be equal to one another in the measurement. AED is equal to 52 degree. Why? Because of alternate angles. Sorry, vertically opposite angles. Because of vertically opposite angles, AED is equal to 52 degree, right? Now what the angle we have to find out? The angle ADE, I name it as a small d, right? अच्छा, ये मैं पहले डिस्कस कर चुका कि in the triangle ADE, the side DE is equal to AE, right? Because both of these are the half of the diagonals of the rectangle, so these are equal in measurement. So this way, do you know that at point A, what the angle DAE is, it is also equal in the measurement of the angle D. Clear? So sum of all the internal angles of the triangle would be 2D plus 52. ये देखिए, ये D है, ये भी D होगा. क्लियर? बराबर है ना जी. So D plus 52 equal to 180. This way, in the triangle AED, D plus 52 equal to 180. Why? Because angle sum of the triangle, right? Now solve it just like an equation and find out the value of D. Shifting 52 to the other side with change in its sign. This way 2D equal to 128. Hence angle ADE we have calculated equal to 64 degree, right? Now the second part, we have to find out angle AED. In the second part, we have to find out angle ACD. This much we have to find out. To find out the angle ACD, this angle, we have to consider the triangle CDE. In this triangle CDE, this angle 52 would be the exterior angle for this triangle CDE. This exterior angle would be equal to sum of the two opposite interior angles, right, at the point D and at the point C, these two angles. So one other thing which is noticeable in the triangle CDE, this triangle CDE is also an isosceles triangle, because this DE is equal to CE. Why? Because these two are the half of the diagonals in the rectangle. ये देखिए ना, ये दो डायगोनल जो हैं एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट कर रहे हैं. Clear? So this way these two would be equal to one another in measurement. As this is an angle we have considered as x, तो ये भी, इसको भी हम x कह सकते हैं, because these are two angles equal in measurement, right? So x plus x equal to 52, right? Because exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles, right? Now this way x plus x is equal to 52, exterior angle of the triangle, right? This way we have solved it just like an equation and found that x is equal to 26, and x we have considered this angle ACD. So ACD is equal to 26 degree. Hence ACD is found as 26 degree, right? Now question number 7, statement of the question is, the figure shows a parallelogram ABCD where BAD equal to 65 degree, E lies on DC such that BED equal to 125 degree. This is evident in this figure. This is a parallelogram, and at angle A, this angle A is 65 degree, and the angle DEB is equal to 125 degree. We have to find out, number one, ADE, this much we have to find out. Then CBE, this much angle we have to find out in the second part, right? In part 1 we have to find out the angle ADE, this much angle at the point D we have to find out. Don't you think that over here AB is parallel to DC and AD is working as transversal, so this angle at point A and this angle at point D are in a special relationship with one another, yeah, because their sum is equal to 180 degree. What type of angles these are? Yes, these are interior angles. You are able to find out now ADE. Find it out by yourself. Now in the second part we have to find out the angle CBE at the point B. This much we have to find out, right? So to find out angle CBE at the point B, this angle CBE, to find out this angle we have to consider the triangle BCE, and in this triangle BCE these are two opposite interior angles and this is the exterior angle for this triangle. So 125 is equal to sum of the angle at C and this angle at the point B. So this way we will find it out, but we don't know how much this angle is. If we consider this whole the figure as a parallelogram, yes, this is the parallelogram, yeah, don't you think that this way these two angles have a special relationship with one another? Are these equal to one another? Yes, because the opposite angles in the parallelogram are equal in measurement. So this is also 65 degree. So this is known now. Now just one unknown we have. So CBE plus 65 is equal to 125. So this way we will find out the unknown angle CBE. This way CBE is equal to CBE plus 65 equal to 125. So CBE would be equal to 125 minus 65, right? Solve it algebraically. This way we have calculated CBE equal to 60 degree, hence CBE equal to 60 degree, right? Now the next question, question number 8. Statement of the question is, the figure shows a rhombus ABCD. This way ABCD is the rhombus. The diagonal DB is produced to E. This diagonal DB is produced to the point E such that BC is equal to BE. BC is equal to BE, right? And CDE equal to 46 degree. CDE is equal to 46 degree. We have to find out, number 1, angle BAD. Angle BAD, this much we have to find out. And the second, we have to find out BCE. BCE, this angle we have to find out, right? Now in part 1, to find out the angle BAD, we have to consider the triangle, this one, ABD, right? Actually this angle we have to find out. So this is part of the triangle ABD. So हम ABD के अंदर देखेंगे. You know, to find out this angle, rest of these two should be known. तो पहले इन्हें हम देखते हैं कि ये एंगल्स क्या आते हैं. Don't you think that the diagonals in the rhombus bisect the interior angles? अब देखिए ये 46 है हाफ, ये तो 46 ये भी होगा, क्योंकि ये इंटीरियर एंगल इसकी वजह से तकसीम हो गया, दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो गया, राइट? सो दिस वे it's 46 degree. Angle ADB is 46 degree and angle ABD is also 46 degree. This angle ADB is 46 degree. Why? Because BD is working as the diagonal of the rhombus. This is the diagonal of the rhombus ABCD. So ये जो diagonal होते हैं ये इंटीरियर एंगल्स को दो बराबर हिस्सों में डिवाइड. सो ये इंटीरियर एंगल जो है इस rhombus का इंटरनल एंगल वो दो बराबर हिस्सों में डिवाइड हुआ. सो ये 46 है तो ये भी 46 है. क्लियर हो गया? अच्छा. And this angle is equal to this one. Why? Because in the rhombus all the sides are equal in measurement. So AB would also be equal to AD because of isosceles triangle, right? क्योंकि जब rhombus में चारों sides बराबर हैं और ये diagonal हमने draw कर दिया, तो अब ये triangle का जो हिस्सा है, अब इस isosceles triangle ABD में हम देखते हैं, we can easily find out the angle A over here, right? So now in triangle ABD, this angle at the point A, BAD, plus 46 equal to 180 degree. Why? Because angle sum of triangle, right? Now solve it algebraically to find out the angle BAD. So BAD equal to 88 degree Hence the angle BAD we have calculated as 88 degree. Now the second part, angle ADB we have to find out. Sorry, in second part we have to find out angle BCE. This angle at the point C we have to find out. To find out the angle at the point C, the angle BCE, we will consider the triangle BCE. पूरी triangle को हम consider करेंगे. Then this would be the exterior angle for it. कौन सा? DBC would be the exterior angle, and this angle E and this angle BCE would be the opposite interior angles. So their sum should be equal to this one. और ये अभी तो लग रहा है unknown है, but this is known. Why? Because this is the diagonal of the rhombus. So it has bisected the internal angle. अब ये हिस्सा अगर 46 का है तो ये भी तो 46 का होगा ना, right? So this DBC is equal to 46 degree. Why? Because BD is working as the diagonal in the rhombus ABCD. So this whole, the internal angle at point B is bisected due to the BD diagonal. ये 46 का है तो ये भी 46 डिग्री का होगा ना, and this reason we have mentioned over here, right? Now we consider the triangle BCE to find out this much angle. So if I consider this angle as small c, the angle BCE, मैं इसे सपोज कर रहा हूँ एक एंगल C के तौर पर, तो ये भी तो एंगल C होगा ना. Why? Because the triangle BCE is an isosceles triangle. ये देखिए, this side BC is equal to BE. So these two angles should also be equal to one another in measurement, right? So we should say C plus C is equal to 46 degree. Why? Because exterior angle of the triangle, right? Now solve it algebraically to find out the measurement of the unknown angle. So this way C is equal to 23 degree. Hence BCE is equal to 26 degree, right? Sorry, the angle C we have calculated as 23, and the angle C we had considered for the angle BCE. So angle BCE we have calculated as 23 degree, right? Question number 9. Statement of the question is, the figure shows a rhombus ABCD. ABCD is a rhombus where the diagonals AC and BD, this AC and BD, intersect at E. Find the value of X. We have to find out the value of X over here, right? In this question 9, we have to find out the value of X, right? Which is involved in this value of this angle, this one, and also over here. Clear? So now in the solution of this question, as this ABCD is a rhombus, so all the angle properties of the rhombus, what you have revised in the previous pages, we can use over here, right? So in this rhombus, AC and BD are the diagonals, and these diagonal do what the job here. This AC bisects the angle at the point A. This whole the angle is bisected. So half the angle is this one and the rest of half is it. Is it so? And in the same way, the diagonal BD bisects the angle at the point D. This whole angle is divided into two parts. One is 3x plus 7 and the other one should also be equal to it, right? So this way we are justified to say that this whole the angle at point D is double of 3x plus 7, and over here on the point A, this angle A is double of 2a plus 53, right? Okay, now you know at the point D what this angle is, and at the point A what is this angle. These are in a special relationship with one another. What their sum is equal to 180 due to, yes, interior angles. Bilkul, interior angles. These are interior angles because this is parallel to this one. DC is parallel to AB and DA is working as transversal. So whole this angle at point D plus whole this angle at point A is equal to 180 degree because of interior angles. This way, sum of these two angles CDA and the angle DAB, their sum is equal to 180 degree because of interior angles. Now we solve it algebraically to find out the value of x. This way 10x plus 120 equal to 180 we have found. Now 120 shifted to the right side will change in its sign and x equal to 6. Hence we have found the value of x this way. X equal to 6. Now the next question, number 10, statement of the question is, the figure shows a trapezium ABCD where AB is parallel to DC. Here AB is parallel to DC. Find the value of x and y. Right? देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 तो बहुत आसान है. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको, क्योंकि ये ट्रेपेजियम है, इसमें ये दो साइड्स AB और DC, these are parallel to one another. This DA is working as transversal. So don't you think that 5x plus x यानी 6x equal to 180 degree? Yes, due to interior angles. तो 6x equal to 180 आपको इक्वेशन मिल गई. इससे आप x की वैल्यू बड़ी आसानी से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. नाउ फॉर द वैल्यू ऑफ y, वो x की वैल्यू हम यहाँ पुट कर देंगे. तो 2.2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई x. सो b, एंगल b हमारे लिए नोन हो जाएगा. Then this angle and y, these are the interior angles again in this rhombus. So इन दोनों को सम अप करके 180 के बराबर करेंगे. तो इस तरह से भी हमें y की वैल्यू बड़ी आसानी से फाइंड आउट हो जाएगी. क्लियर? So this question you have to solve by yourself. Now the next question 11. The figure shows a kite ABCD. ABCD is a kite where AB is equal to AD, AB is equal to AD, and BC is equal to CD, BC is equal to CD, and the diagonals AC and BD intersect at E. This AC and BD bisect one another at the point E. Now find ABD, ABD, this angle at the point B we have to find out, and the other one on the same point B, angle CBD, CBD, this angle we have to find out. Clear? Very easy question. In this figure, we have to find out in part 1 angle ABD. Angle ABD. This angle we have to find out. Now, this whole the figure is a kite. ABCD is a kite, and in the kite the diagonals cut one another at a certain point. How? At an angle of 90 degree, at right angle. So over here this angle is of 90 degree, this angle is of 90 degree, right? And the other one quality what it has, one diagonal is in a way that it bisects the internal angles. तो अब ये पूरा एंगल 50 डिग्री का था जो कि बाइसेक्ट होकर 25 हमें नज़र आ रहा है। ये पूरा एंगल 88 डिग्री का था जो कि बाइसेक्ट होकर हमें 44 डिग्री नज़र आ रहा है। So may I write it as 44 degree and this as 25 degree? Yes. So now we consider the triangle ABE. In this triangle ABE, at an angle E, this is an angle of 90 degree. So AEB would be of 90 degree. This way, angles in the triangle ABE, sum of all the internal angles of the triangle ABE equal to 180 degree. So over here we write ABD plus 90, ABD plus 90 plus 25 is equal to 180 degree, because angle sum of triangle. Now solve it algebraically to find out the unknown angle ABD. So the angle ABD is equal to 65 degree. Hence we have found that angle ABD is equal to 65 degree, right? Now in the second part we have to find out angle CBD. At the point B, this much angle we have to find out, the angle CBD, right? So to find out this angle CBD, we will consider the triangle BCE. So in the triangle, we will sum up all the internal angles of this triangle BCE. This angle is obviously the right angle. This is the point of intersection of the two diagonals in the kite. At this point, all these angles separately are of 90 degree. So this is also of 90 degree. This is known angle. We can easily find out this much, right? So now solve it algebraically. Quoting the solution, the reference is part and parcel of the solution. यहाँ पर हमने CBD plus 90 plus 44 equal to किया 180 इस triangle BCE में. So solve it algebraically. CBD is equal to 180 minus this sum shifted to the other side, so minus 134 degree. It comes equal to 46 degree. Hence the angle CBD is equal to 46 degree. This way exercise 11B is finished. See you in the next lesson. Wish you all the best. Allah Hafiz.